All right, here we are again. You've probably seen the title of this video. So VW did not want me to get a car to review. I organized it another way, and now we're sitting in a ID.Buzz GTX. I just got the car. I need to get going because I'm probably gonna get into some congestion otherwise. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you real quick what the stats are on the car. And as I said, if you probably previously you probably don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing my Skatepark Test of this car, which is a commuting test. It's a mixed route. There's loads of up and downhill parts. Excellent to test also the recuperation and to see to basically get a pretty accurate estimate on the consumption on this car. So as I seen with my Volvo video, I managed to accurately predict it with this test with about an accuracy of plus minus 1 kilowatt hour. So yeah, I'm unfortunately, as I said, I'm not going to be able to do a real long range test, but it's what we got to do. It's what I have to do. Yeah, because apparently, as I said, VW doesn't need independent tests. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you, switch the camera around. Quick, gonna show you we're on software 5.2. I'm gonna go to the car settings. Oh no, it's here. So I already don't like the infotainment. So I reset this. We're gonna be see each other then when I arrived at my first stop. So yeah, see you guys soon. Okay, we've made it to the first leg of this trip. I'm just gonna show you the stats right now. I'm gonna turn around the camera, and this is it. So we've driven 54 kilometers, which is exactly what it should be, and we have averaged 23.5 kilowatt hours. I have to say it's 25 degrees outside, so it's pretty much goddamn ideal conditions for this car. What I now did notice is the adaptive cruise control is actually kind of interesting. It does slow down, and so it makes driving easier, but I kind of had to fight it a lot. So yeah, and this thing is huge. I couldn't park it where I normally would park it, so I have to hurry up here again. So I'm just gonna try to mount the camera somehow to film the trip a little bit, but we'll see what I managed to capture. By now you've probably seen it in the video. Anyway, I'm just gonna prepare the car and then head off back, and then I'll show you the final stats and results. All right, so we just finished the trip back. I had congestion on the way back, so the overall consumption it now shows is not representable at all. So this is why it's absolutely important that people like me who want to do this kind of stuff get access to cars the way they wanted to. So yeah, less than ideal, but I'm going to anyway show you the stats. I mean, it's next to impossible the car did this. I mean, it's 21 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. It was 23.4. I guess that's what I'm going to take, like 24. This is, again, ideal conditions, and I had to drive around to find a parking spot because this thing is freaking huge, and the park assist, it did not work. Now it doesn't even work because the ignition is not on because I parked the car. It almost threw me into a already parked car, so it kind of noticed the lines, but yeah, it doesn't work. And this car is not spec'd with the 360-degree camera, so I'm guessing, again, there's also no panoramic roof, so I had to mount the camera onto the thing, so the windshield, the side window. So yeah, we're gonna see if I'm even gonna make a nighttime driving video, but yeah. I'm gonna just assume it's 23.4, just as it was, because again, it's some congestion and it's next to impossible that it did this good. And it's also, you know, this is also kind of now a little bit ranting, but I'm gonna keep this short because I don't want the video to be longer, not necessarily longer than it needs to be. Sorry, but also like doing a test drive now. It's 25 degrees outside. It's gonna be it's, as I said, it's like ideal conditions. So the car is gonna usually perform worse because it's that big. The wind noise was also okay, but it was there, of course, and audio system is also not the best. But I don't know if this is. I can show you. I don't know if this is the high performance order. I don't think so. But it is the GTX. I think it's fast enough. I don't think yeah, you actually need to do a motor setup because that's such a big car. It's also a little bit jerky when you yeah, step on the accelerator. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video now. Please, if you want any further trip details, I'm gonna leave them in the description down below. You can find the trip. I hope the footage turned out all right. The camera decided to just fall down on the highway. But anyway, yeah, just let's discuss your opinions about this car in the comments below, and also yeah, just I hope give this video a like, so if VW does see this and I actually get the chance to do a proper my proper long range test of it, because I guess this is also the car to do it in. You usually want to take people with you, and it's, I don't know what you can see, but there's plenty of space because it's so big. It's really that's what she said. But anyway, it's really a huge car. So yeah. All right. Thank you for watching. Check out my other videos, and see you in the next one. Bye.